Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan salmon sashimi. We'll start by gathering simple plant-based ingredients to mimic the look and taste of traditional salmon. Next, you'll learn how to prepare and marinate your main component for optimal flavor. Finally, we'll cover the best slicing techniques to achieve that authentic sashimi presentation, ensuring a delightful and ethical culinary experience. To begin, select large carrots, as they provide the ideal shape for your vegan salmon. Boil them until they are tender enough to slice, yet still hold their form. Once cooled, carefully slice the carrots into thin, flat pieces. Incorporating a small amount of nori seaweed into your marinade will infuse a delicate oceanic essence, enhancing the overall flavor profile. Now it's time to infuse your carrot slices with flavor. Create a savory marinade using soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a touch of sesame oil for richness. Fresh ginger and garlic can also be added to deepen the taste. Ensure all carrot pieces are well coated, then chill the marinated salmon for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to meld and the texture to firm up beautifully. For the final touch, carefully slice your chilled vegan salmon thinly against the grain, mimicking traditional sashimi. A very sharp knife is essential for achieving clean, precise cuts. Arrange your beautiful plant-based sashimi on a platter. Serve it with classic accompaniments like soy sauce and a dab of wasabi. Garnish with fresh ginger or a sprinkle of sesame seeds for an elegant presentation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.